Hello, welcome to another video. I challenged myself to finish this nature junk journal before 2026, so that is what we'll be doing today. Let's nature junk journal together. I hope you join me. Okay, so I have the table set up with scraps, pressed flora, scissors and glue, and some of my collage supplies. So let's start. I recently made this journal page, but it's still wet, so I'm gonna add a little bit of parchment paper so they don't stick. So like I said, I'm trying to finish this junk journal before 2026. I currently have 3 handmade junk journals, but the first one, since it was literally the first one I made, it's not in very good condition, so I have to fix it. But this is the second one and is the best one I have. And the third one I did is more for traveling, so I want to finish this one so I can make another one. For this challenge, I only want to use the scraps I have and some of my printables. I do not want to tear up pages that are whole, complete, if you know what I mean. I will only use literally the scraps I have. And I know it seems like I'm limiting my resources, but I'm not, because I have 3 drawers full of scraps that I need to use. I have a little bit of everything from old books, magazines, tags, coffee filters, handmade paper, paint samplers, tissue paper, dryer sheets. Anyways, I will just start grabbing and gluing. This is basically a real-time journaling session. I only cut out the parts where I was taking too much time thinking of what to do, but overall I think it took me about 20 minutes to finish. So I always add music now because there's not much to talk about, but I was wondering if you prefer for me to talk about something. Right now my mind is blank, which is something good, but if you would like for me to make more of a journaling and chat with me video, just let me know in the comments below, or let me know if you prefer music. And I know I have a lot of things I can talk to you about, but I really get very deep or profound. But if you're into that and you would like to know me better or my opinion of any topic, let me know. But for today, I will just add music now. Enjoy the video. and this is the result. I really liked it. I still have so many pages to finish, so if you have any request of a material you want me to use or a technique, let me know. Thank you for watching. See you back soon.